Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install Metasploitable, which is a tool or virtual machine that we can use to do penetration testing in a lab environment. So let's go ahead and download the image. Open a browser and search for Metasploitable download. You want to go to sourceforge.net, and then we'll also go to this link. So this is where you do the download. So click on download here, and the download should begin. This is it right here. I already did the download, so I'm just going to cancel this. On the other side, if you click on download, you'll get a short video that gives us an introduction. Of what is Metasploitable. So you can watch the video just to get a brief introduction to it. Let me minimize this. Once you have the file downloaded, it should be about 800 MBs, and it's a zip file. We need to unzip it. So just unzip the file here. I'm going to extract it here. And you should get a folder which has got 5 files. The file we need is right here, the .vmdk. This is what we'll be using to do the installation. Now go ahead and open your VirtualBox. So this is the newer version of VirtualBox. If you can look at the icon, it's a little different from the older version. So go ahead and click on new and name your virtual machine. I'll name it Metasploitable, and then select the folder where you want to install it. We're not using an ISO image, so we'll select the type as a Linux, Debian 64-bit. We are not doing an unattended install. Let's go to hardware. I'm going to increase this to 2 CPUs. Hard drive. Here I'm going to use an existing virtual hard disk. I'm going to click on this, add, and then you want to go to where you extracted that folder that you downloaded. So mine is in here. Go to that folder, and this is the file you want. Select it, click open, click choose, finish, and there is your virtual machine. Now you can look at the settings and adjust some of the settings if you need to. Let's go to settings, and what I want to change here is the network. I want to use bridged adapter, that way I can access it from the other machines on my network. We'll click OK. Now I'll go ahead and start the virtual machine. So the virtual machine is booting up, and we have the login prompt. So the login information, the username is going to be msfadmin, and the password is going to be the same, msfadmin. We are logged in. You can check the IP address, do IP address, and make sure that you can reach it. So I'm seeing 172.16.1.100. So let me see if I can reach this machine here. I'm gonna use PowerShell on my other device on the same network. I'm gonna ping 172.16 right here, .1.100, and I'm able to ping it, so it's reachable on the network. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how you can install Metasploitable on VirtualBox. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.